Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the basic functions of OPPO Enco 3.2 and its app My Melody. So the first thing you see is the image of your headphones. Next thing is the battery charge on your left and right headphone, as well with case. So next one is noise control mode, and here you can enable or disable noise cancellation or transparency, but you would need to wear your headphones for that. Then you can find the equalizer, which you can just change to classic, dynamic bass, clear vocals, or just clear. You can enable personalized noise cancellation. Noise cancellation effects are personalized to your auditory canal structure and earbud fit to give you clear sound. Next is personalized sound boost, which you can go inside and then go to settings, and you will need to allow the Hey Melody to record the audio while using the app. And from here you can configure it to your likings. The next one is a game mode, which you can enable, and what it does is sync audio and video and reduce game lag for a smoother experience. You can do dual connection, connect two devices at the same time and switch between them easily. Next thing is Earbud Fit Test, which you can choose ear tips that make a good seal with your ear canal for a better noise cancellation, and it basically just works like a test. So you need to wear them to actually do that. Next thing is Earbud Controls, and you can just change your buttons and presets on your left and right headphones. If you want to stop music by pressing it on them, you can change that. Now we can go about, and here are some FAQ or informations about the headphones. You can go to devices, and here again you can go to disconnect them or entirely delete them from the app, so you will need to connect them again, or just press plus and add another device. So that was the basic functions of the app. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.